The house is a mess. I'm giving myself 45 minutes to see how much we can get done. My goal is to spend like, I don't know, 10 minutes in each area. So let's see what we can do.
I've got joy and a new song in my soul. Jesus holds my heart, he's in control.
So it took me about 4 minutes to tidy up this area. I didn't wipe anything down. I didn't clean anything. I just got it looking presentable. So let's keep going. Okay, so I feel a little overwhelmed with everything that's going on in here. So I'm gonna grab a basket, and anything that doesn't belong in the sink or doesn't belong up in a cabinet, I'm gonna put in the basket so that I can put it where it goes at another time. So we're gonna start this timer. We're gonna get the time bus rolling, and we're gonna see what I can get done.
Every step I take, he lights the way. Mercy in the morning, grace for every day. And when the shadows try to fall on me, his perfect love is all I see.
All right, so that took me about 10 minutes to get everything up off these countertops. Picked up the floor except for that sock that I see. So we're gonna make our way into the laundry room to do some picking up in here. And we're bringing our basket of random stuff so that we can put stuff that doesn't belong in there in here, and then I can deal with it later.
I've got joy overflowing, run wild. Freedom.
So that took me like 2 minutes just to tidy up the floor. I didn't do any organizing, anything like that, but we're gonna move on to the bathroom because the bathroom's pretty bad.
My soul, Jesus is with me wherever.
So that took me like 2 minutes. We're gonna move on to the bedroom.
Higher than I've ever known. I rise 'cause it's him standing by my side. Jesus Christ, my strength, my God. I'm soaring like the birds, like eagles in the sky, with freedom in my soul. Oh,
All right, so I'm left with 26 minutes. So we have my daughter's room, my son's room, their bathroom, and this living area, and then we'll be done. So let's see if we can knock it out in 26 minutes. Let's do it.
chains break off when I speak his name. Hope ignites like a holy flame.
All right, so the girls' sheets and mattress covers are in the washer already, and we're just gonna tackle this room. It's really discouraging and annoying that it's this messy. And they clean their rooms, so I don't know what the issue is, but we're gonna take care of it, knock it out, see how fast we can do it, and then we're gonna try and get some better systems because Mama ain't happy. Mama ain't happy. Let's go.
My shepherd sings over me while I sleep. No fear can hold what his love sets free. His promise is my victory. I've got joy.
Right, we have 15 minutes. I'm gonna try and do this in 10 and leave 5 minutes for the guest bathroom. Then we'll have gone through the whole house.
Joy overflowing, running wild. Freedom like the wind, fire burning in my soul. Jesus is with me wherever I go, lifting me higher than I've ever known. Eyes got him standing by my side. Jesus Christ, my strength, my God. I'm soaring like the birds, like eagles in the sky, with freedom in my soul. Oh, I'm alive. Oh, you lift me up.
We have 3 minutes left. I am going to use that time, and I'm going to mop.
Jesus, you have set my spirit
throughout the whole house. There's still obviously a lot of work to be done. The kids' rooms seriously need a deep clean. So I'm probably gonna hit that within the next day or so. And yeah, so just a quick tidy. I hope this motivated you to get your house clean and tidy. And I will see you in our next video. Stay so motivated, so encouraged, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.
I rise 'cause it's Him standing by my side. Jesus Christ, my strength, my guide. I'm soaring like the birds, like eagles in the sky. With freedom in my soul, I'm alive. Yeah, freedom in my soul, 'cause Jesus